me so long to get my ticket from the machine that I missed the train that I wanted to catch. So I've got to wait here for the next one. Bonjour, bonjour. And the locals were friendly as well. Sadly, during the attack, this tank took a direct hit and the 3 crew members were killed. But some of those corpses were 3 weeks old, hence its name and reputation, Hangman's Island. This place is swarming with tourists and it's closed. I can't get my words out today. That's not good, that's not good. As you do when you're on holiday, you know. But yeah, this is going to be fun.